just finished designing this checkerboard, and it's reversible. It's going to be a tic-tac-toe on the other side. So what I did was I planned out the 8 across, and then 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 this way, 8 this way. So you want alternating dark colors. So you have 3 rows on this side, starting with, in the left-hand corner should be a dark one. The same thing on this side, looking this way, left side, dark one in the corner. So you put your checkers. I ordered these off of Amazon. They have little felt pads on the other side. They have a bag. I think I'm gonna make a bag to hold this so it's portable. So I drew it up, and then I wanted to put, you know, a border on it so it would lay better. So then on this other side is tic-tac-toe. So you just use these, you know, however you wanna do it. So I think it is, let's see, total of 21 1/4. It should be square, 21, yeah, 21 1/4. And then I just used 5-inch charm squares for this, and then did sashing on these, and then did a sashing across this way. So then on this side, I think it's 1 3/4 inches of sashing, and these are 3-inch borders all the way around, and these are 2.5-inch squares. So I just sewed each, you know, all of them together in rows, and then it's done. So I'm pretty happy with it. And then you can fold it up, and then maybe put it in a bag with the checkers.